Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Today I'll be showing you guys how to install a wig. So first we are starting off by moisturizing her hair with Haitian castor oil. Here in this clip coming up, I'm going to be using Got To Be Glued gel. The reason why I'm doing this is to smooth back her edges. I'm going to be doing the bald cap method, so this would give a smoother foundation. Now I'm taking an edge brush just to smooth out her edges. Okay, what you see me doing here is just drying out the gel. We're moving on to the bald cap method. So what you want to do is find a cap that is closest to your client's skin tone. Now I'm taking Got To Be Glue spray just to melt the cap. You want to spray it and use your hands to brush it up. You want to make a hole in the ears. This trick was founded by Glamazonte, I believe. It's pretty convenient because this allows the cap to lay very flat. Right now, I'm just doing the same thing from the other side. Right now, I'm just taking the cap off of her eyebrows so she can breathe. Make sure you guys do that for your clients because you don't want them to feel uncomfortable. You just want to blow dry the cap to really melt it. Avoid touching it as much so that it doesn't become ashy and flaky. What I'm doing here is just cutting off the extra cap that we don't need. Since I sewed part of the cap in the back, I'm just cutting the extra pieces off because we don't need them. So I'm going to be using 355 and also 360 Fit Me Foundation by Maybelline on the cap and also on the wig, just to better blend into her skin tone. Makeup causes oil, so you want to use Got To Be Glue spray to freeze everything in place, and then you're going to use alcohol to also wipe off the makeup off of her face. Now it's time to install the wig. I'm using Ghost Bond Platinum in order to do so. I'm using a craft wood stick just to smear out the glue. You can apply 2 to 3 layers. It is your preference, but you want to make sure that the glue is completely clear before you go on to your next layer. Now I'm just pulling down the wig to apply it to the glue. Some people cut the lace before, but it is your preference. I took a comb just to gently brush it in. You don't want to be too rough in this part because you can rip the lace. In this clip, you just want to take a blow dryer and really melt that lace, like really melt it in. I'm just wrapping her hair up with a bandana. This part is not mandatory, but I feel like the lace just melts way better when you include this. I just cut the lace into 4 different sections. I feel like it helps when you are getting ready to cut with the eyebrow razor. When you're cutting with the eyebrow razor, you want to cut in jagged motions. Therefore, the lace doesn't appear in a straight line, so you can give it a more natural look. Right here, I'm just getting ready to cut the ear tab. We do not want to have excess lace over her ear. That is not cute. Sometimes there will be extra pieces of lace, so you just want to take like a smaller scissor just to get around those corners. Now I'm just using an electric hot comb just to really lay the hair down. And don't mind my friend, y'all. She was really scared, but it really does help when you use an electric hot comb. Off to the baby hairs, so you just want to section out a little piece and then you're going to start cutting with your eyebrow razor. Don't be scared. This part can be hard, but you just have to go with the flow. You want to use mousse. It really does help to bring everything together. After I've styled the baby hairs how my client wants, I take a bandana and wrap it up and let it sit. In the meantime, I was wetting the hair and using curling products just to get it that curly look. So we're coming to an end. I'm using alcohol just to get off some glue that was left on her forehead. I'm going back in with the hot comb just to get a more flat look.
I'm sorry.
And that's it. We are done. And this is the final look. She was very happy and school ready. I do thank you guys for watching. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe.